Hey guys! So, meron na naman po akong i-share na bagong side hustle. So, sa mga naghahanap ng side hustle dyan, this video is for you. So, um, siguro lahat naman tayo alam natin yung digital products. But nowadays, since marami nang nakakaalam, medyo nagiging mahigpit na yung competition kay Rocket.ph. And even me, halos wala na akong benta kay Rocket.ph. And some of my listing, hindi rin siya na-approve. And thank God, I found this another platform. Hindi siya Etsy. So, it is called Gumroad. So, hinintay ko muna talagang magka-sales ako bago ko siya i-share sa inyo kasi nakakahiya naman kung even kahit ako na nag-share, hindi pa ako kumikita. So, kumita naman ako ng konti kaya I'm ready to share it. So, yeah, let's go to my screen. So, ito nga pala yung Gumroad. As you can see, yung kita ko is $8.27 pa lang. Then, ito yung listing ko, dalawa pa lang. Actually, hindi ko talaga siya bet nung una. Akala ko kasi hindi ako magkaka-sale kasi para siyang US based. But nabigla ako, dalawang sales na agad yung nakuha ko sa Bills Tracker Planner pa lang. So, ang revenue ko is $7. Actually, nakalist sila as $5 per each. Ano lang siya. Then I have like, I think seven na planner, Excel sheet or spreadsheet. So, ito siya. Bale, punta ka lang kay gumroad.com. Then, easy lang talaga yung yung process ng pag-create ng account. Bale, hindi ko na siya ipapakita kasi mas matatagalan yung video. Ang ipapakita ko sa inyo, since may bago akong i-upload na product, is yung pag-upload ng product. Since sometimes sobrang nakakalito siya, hindi siya very straightforward katulad ng sa Rocket.ph. So, ito siya. Punta ka lang kay products, then add new product, name of the product. Hala, wala pa akong name of the product. So, yun na nga, dapat may naka-ready kang product name, yung description and all. ChatGPT can help you. So, for me, meron na akong naka-ready. Wait, i-ready ko lang yung mga image ko. And there you go. Okay. So, for the title, eto siya. Lagay mo lang. Then, choose digital products. Now, let's add the price. So, for this, I'll have it like this. Next is customize. Actually, again, note lang for the price. Lagi siyang naka-dollar base. Then for this, ito yung i-share mo yung URL later on. So, copy mo lang para i-save na. Then, upload the cover. So, very lang siya, very rocket.ph. So, upload natin yung cover nito. Ito yung ginawa kong cover. Thumbnail, upload din tayo. Ito siya. Let's upload more pictures. Para naman may idea yung mga natin kung ano yung makukuha nila. So, I just use Canva to create this pictures mockup. Yan, hintayin lang natin silang ma-upload. Voila, ganda. Okay, then here, ito yung call to action mo. Pwede mo siyang palitan, buy this, pay, or I prefer I want this. Then summary, kung ano yung makukuha nila. Like, for example, for me, yung makukuha nila is, ito. Social media managers, spreadsheet, Canva templates, and bonus report, analytics report. It should be analytics. Then, additional details, kung meron kang additional details about your product. Then, if you have a Gumroad community, let's explore that later. Kung meron kang ganyan, turn on mo lang yan. Then, again, yung amount. For this, meron kang option, allow customers to pay what they want. For example, or allow customers to pay in installments. I always do this. But naglalagay ako ng minimum amount. Then, customer can suggest any amounts that they like. Okay. Pero yung pinaka-minimum niya is lagi kong inilalagay. Okay, no. Allow customer to choose quantity. Only one quantity. Public show number of sales, of course. Mark credits on no. Specify a refund policy for this product. Yes. Fine print. No refunds allowed. Ano lang siya, no? Okay. Now your domain. Kung may domain ka, lagay mo lang siya. Okay, then next, since wala akong domain, mag-next na tayo, save and continue. Then, ito na yung content. So, dito mo i-upload lahat ng mga products na binibenta mo. For me, I have both links and also the downloadable content or Excel sheet. So, for the links, let's add this first. Link ba for, let's add the link. What is favorite yung template Canva is for Chrome. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's go back to the files. Then, mga downloadable naman. Only this one. Excel sheet. Spreadsheet version. Okay, so for the link, I have I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 files. 5 na link lang, then 1 downloadable content. Then you can publish and continue. Yan na yung link. So kung gusto mo siyang i-share sa Facebook mo directly, but what I do is ina-upload ko rin yung mga image, so I always do copy URL, then i-share ko na siya sa aking Facebook page. So ganun lang siya.